Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a recipe for you that is a classic in my family. We always do that for Christmas. It's a recipe my mom gave me so I can share it with you. So I hope you like these as much as I do. You want to start out with some butter in a bowl, and this is margarine, so you could use butter as well, but margarine's fine. Then you want to add some brown sugar, and you want to mix that together until it's a nice creamy texture, as you will see in a second right here. All the measurements are down below as always. Next you want to go ahead and add your flour, the hazelnuts, ground hazelnuts of course, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract, and a little bit of milk. Now you want to mix that all together until you have a nice even dough. You can do that with the hand mixer or your hands as you want. As soon as your dough is ready, you want to put it on a baking sheet with some baking paper, and this is for half a baking sheet. So spread it out a little bit, and I used some kind of a rim so it wouldn't run, and put that around it. You can use any kind of baking tin that is this size. You want to bake it with 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and then you want to take it out, and while it is still hot you want to take your nougat and you want to cut it into slices and place that on top of your hot dough. And this will make it melt so you can spread it easily across the whole dough and make an even layer. And then you are basically done. You can decorate it to your liking. I always like using these little chocolate leaves and stuff like that, because that's what we usually use when we do these on Christmas, but it's totally up to you. And then you just have to cut them down into little squares and you're basically ready to enjoy them. So as you can see, my nougat didn't really cool down that well, so you should put these in a room that is a little bit colder. On normal room temperature it will not get it will not cool down enough for you to cut it well. So yeah, just try that and it will be a little bit better than here. But I hope you try these. They're super delicious, super rich, and I love that chocolatey nut flavor. And yeah, we'll talk to you tomorrow with a new recipe. Until then, goodbye.